Welcome to the revolutionary Tile Redi shower pan installation video. The Tile Redi shower pan eliminates the need for conventional base mortar beds, vinyl liners, hot mopping, and piece-puzzled shower components. Now the installer can install a leak-proof, mold-free tiled shower in less than an hour. To help guide you through this video, we've provided step-by-step numbers in the same order as the Tile Redi installation guide. Before the Tile Redi shower pan can be installed, make sure your frame shower stall area will fit the shower pan dimensions. When framing up, allow yourself about a 1/16 of an inch tolerance on each side so the shower pan will easily fit into place. Make sure the boreholes in the substrate, whether it's wood or concrete, allows enough dimension to accommodate the molded shower pan drain body housing. Sweep out the shower stall area clean of any debris. Now, take the Tile Redi shower pan and test fit the drain housing into the subfloor borehole to make sure the shower pan is aligned properly and fits snugly against the frame studs on all sides. This next step depends on whether or not there is access to the drain connection from below the subfloor. If there is access from the subfloor below, the installer will cut a section of PVC pipe long enough so that it will extend below the subfloor and easily make a connection to the wastewater pipe. If there's no access from the subfloor below, make sure the drain pipe stubbed up from the subfloor is cut and adjusted to a height sufficient to fit properly into the shower pan drain connection. Whether you're installing on wood or concrete substrate, make sure you pour out a 1/2 to 3/4 inch dry set mortar bed onto substrate and trowel. The purpose of this installation step is to set and level the shower pan and to assure that you fill any voids between the substrate and shower pan. First, let's install the shower pan with access below the substrate. The installer will brush the PVC pipe and drain hole area and make the pipe connection. The installer will set the shower pan onto the dry set mortar and allow for the drain pipe to extend through the substrate. Now let's install the shower pan onto a substrate with no access from below. During this installation, the drain pipe stubbed up through the substrate was cut and adjusted to a height sufficient to fit properly into the shower pan drain connection. After either drain connection installations, you need to firmly press down the Tile Redi shower pan into place. Make sure there is a good seal between the floor and curb, with the substrate filling any high or low areas. Now that the pan is firmly pressed into place, take a level and make sure the curb and each splash wall is leveled for proper drainage. Our next step in completing our shower is installing the backer wall board. When installing the backer board to meet the shower pan splash walls, you will need to seal the joint between the two with 100% waterproof silicone. First, run a bead across the top edge of the splash wall. Next, bring your wall board down, securing it about 1/8 of an inch from the splash wall, leaving room for the silicone sealer. Finally, take your finger and smooth the silicone between the joint. Waterproofing this area should be in accordance with the standards established by the Tile Council of North America. As an additional waterproofing method, Tile Redi has invented an innovative optional flashing system called the Redi Flash. This patented aluminum guards flashing system serves as two purposes. The Redi flashing system was engineered and designed specifically to fit onto the Tile Redi shower pan splash wall from the bottom and secured to the studs from the top, making the joint connection seamless, eliminating the potential threat of shower water penetrating down the finished tile work and securing the shower pan into place all in one. The installer now will spread a bead of 100% waterproof silicone across the top edge of the Redi Flash and onto the jointed corner areas. Now bring down your backer board to the Redi Flash. Now that the easy part is done, let's get to the easier part. The installer will adjust the height of the shower drain top as necessary to accommodate the ceramic tile or marble. Now the installer will prepare to tile the shower floor and will mix half of the included tile setting material that is shipped with every shower pan. The other half will be mixed later for tiling the curb and the 6-inch side splash walls. The installer will now spread the tile setting material to the shower pan floor area using a 3/16 or a 1/8 inch trowel, depending on the tile, marble, or stone being used. The Tile Redi shower is now leak-proof, giving you peace of mind for a lifetime. To help you through the Redi installation process, we provided the following installation guide, which is intended to provide an easy-to-follow step-by-step process for the installation of your Redi niche, whether you're a professional or first-time novice. In connection with your Redi niche, please comply with the recommendations and standards established for such projects from time to time by the National Tile Council of North America. Measure the distance between the vertical studs usually on 16-inch centers. Measure and cut top and bottom horizontal support brackets to a length that permits each of them to run between and to be fastened to both vertical studs. Level and mechanically fasten bottom horizontal support bracket to both of the adjacent vertical studs. Level and mechanically fasten the top horizontal support bracket to both of the adjacent vertical studs so that the vertical dimension between the horizontal support brackets matches the vertical dimension of the Redi niche. Please note, if the distance between the vertical studs is greater than the size of the Redi niche, you will need to attach additional vertical framing to one or both of the vertical studs to accommodate the size of the Redi niche. Place the Redi niche between the support brackets. Level and mechanically fasten Redi niche using one framing screw in each pre-drilled hole. Install your tile backer board around the Redi niche so it's in accordance with industry standards. Using 100% waterproofing silicone, seal the gaps between the backer board and the Redi niche, and seal the screw holes. Now apply your setting material and set your tile, marble, or stone directly to the Redi niche surface. And there you have it, another innovative Tile Redi shower solution. All of us here at Tile Redi hope this installation video was helpful. If you need additional help, please